down straight here, covering your brake, just to be prepared to stop if you need to, in case someone's turning. And we're going to park it on the downslope, just by the yellow sign, or by the fence. So smog before you do anything.
So
Yeah.
here.
Use that little bump on the outside of the windshield. Get your front tire on that crack where the grass is growing. A little bit closer. And then you see where your back tire is here.
Yeah.
Still not quite on, right? Now it is. That looks good.
Okay.
Yep. Into neutral first.
Right.
Here we go. Then, so now you're wondering which way to turn the wheels, or which way do you want to turn the wheels? Facing downhill. If the car were to lose its brakes, where would it go now? The wheels are straight. Go all the way down the road, right?
Right.
So you don't want that,
Okay.
and you don't want the car to roll out into traffic to the left,
So it'd be to the right then.
to the right, exactly, all the way to the right.
So before I even do the neutral thing, I put it all the way here
Or you could put it in neutral first and then angle your wheels next.
and then go.
Are they all the way to the right?
Yeah.
Okay. Not quite, eh? There, okay, so now you just let it roll into the curb. You can take your foot right off the brake and the thing's not rolling.
Yeah.
There. Locked into place, right on. Park it right. Good. Yeah, this is it. So we've done all 4 positions.
Perfect.
3 out of the 4 positions, you angled your wheels all the way to the right. So the only exception to the rule is when you're uphill with a curb, facing uphill. The 90-degree curb. Turn your wheels to the left. So now all we're going to do is just practice these things over again. We'll go through them again. So let's take off. We'll straighten your wheels out first. Right there.